Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we are going to reproject the grids we created in the last video using the OS montage script. Let's see how we are going to do it. Open this. Then we're going to all those one. We said open grid and image utilities reproject. Then we're going to take B1. Is B1. Then next. Then is geographic. Then we're going to select the location of this. Then we enter into aeromagnetic blocks XY. I will say B1 X1 B1 XY. Save. Then next. Then projected 31. Let's see it's there. Then okay. Finish. So we have go. Then we'll do the second one. Follow the same process. This time around we'll change this to 2. Press enter. Then okay. Then change this to B2. Next. Like this. Then okay. So we have done. Then we'll do for 3. The same process utilities reproject. Change this to 3. Enter key. Okay. 3. Then we go out there, we say projected XY. Okay. Finish. Then utilities reproject grids 4. Next. Okay. Is to 4. Next. Projected. Okay. Finish. Images utilities reproject. Click edit, enter 5. Next. Okay. Then change this one to 5. Go next. Projected. Okay. Finish. Utilities reproject 6. Then okay. Then 6. Next. Projected. Then okay. Finish. Then for 7. Change this to 7. Next. Okay. Change this to 7. Next. Projected width change. Okay. Okay. Finish. Then utilities reproject 8. Next. Okay. And this to 8. Then next. Then this projected. Then this finish. All have to be projected. Now we have this. Then we can hold this one. This B1. B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, all the control key, they are removed from project. So we have B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Now, this residual, remove it. Now we have B1, B2, then 9, move to the 9. Then 9, enter, and okay, then change this one to 9. That will be very fast. This, then okay, finish. Then next, then projected, okay, then finish. Data image utilities, reproject, then 11, next, okay, 11, next, projected, okay, let's do 12, then you should select this one to be the 12, the next, okay, then change this one to 12, you click edit to 12, click next, then projected, you wait, it's loaded now, okay, then finish. Then let's clean up here. Now we need to clean 9, 10, hold down the control key while you click to select, and this 12, right click, remove from projects. Now we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have remaining 4. Project utilities, reproject. This is 13, press the enter key or click next. Then click OK. 13, then click next. Projected. Okay. Finish. Now 14. Next. Okay. And this will be 14. Projected. Okay. Then finish. Then 15. Okay. 15. The next. And this. Then okay, this way we go. Then finish 15. And the last one, 16. The last grid, which is 16. Okay. Then we'll set this one to 16. Next. Then projected. Then okay. Finish. Now this is what we have. So you can see we have all this one. Now we need to select 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we remove our project. Now we have them balanced 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All this one and close all. So we have all our 16 grid remain. Project, then save. That's how we project all the blocks that we created from which the polygon files.